Hey everybody, it's Sky. I am due for a 3-month update because I am 3 months and 1 week on T. But this is actually more of a discussion question, so I guess I'll do my update later. Um, so I scheduled top surgery last week, um, last Monday, and scheduled with Dr. Garamoni for December 16th. And the plan was to do so I'm on the West Coast, so fly um, on the 13th, have my pre-op on the 14th, surgery on the 16th, um, and post-op 1 week after, um, and then fly out the next day and have a week off of. So for winter break, I would have 3 weeks off of work. So I would have a good chunk of time to recover before I had to go back. And my job's not very demanding, but I know that I'm going to be tired. And I'm not going to feel up to doing a lot. I work with kids, so I have to have a lot of energy, but it's not very physically demanding. So I don't have to worry about that. But my mom was planning on flying to Florida from Colorado, meeting me and helping me through surgery and taking me and staying with me, whatever. And she's been with me through other surgeries, so um, I don't know. She's a nurse as well, so it's nice. I get along with my mom pretty well, so that's kind of a big deal. So my mom just sent me an email actually, so this is more what this update is about because I'm really actually kind of looking for feedback or maybe just catharsis. Who knows? It all works. So my mom sent me an email that she's not going to be able to make the December date. Um, and we had made a lot of plans based on this already. But she suggested switching to spring break, which instead of having 2 weeks off of work automatically paid vacation, I would have one. So I'd probably have to take off more time for work, and it also would be 4 months later. So in all reality, I don't have the finances yet for surgery. I've paid my deposit, but I have not figured out a plan that would actually make it possible for me to pay for surgery completely by the December date. So there's that to consider. But I guess the big thing for me is being able to be okay with waiting 4 months. Um, I'm pretty eager, and so I know that I would have to take some extra time off, but I would probably be able to afford that by then. I would hope. So, um, I guess the question in my mind is, do I push through and possibly end up in debt and you know, do everything I can to pay for the surgery in December and do it um, with somebody else taking care of me, try to find somebody else to take care of me, or um, do I be patient and willing and just have surgery in March? So I don't know. That's what's going on in my mind. I I'm ready for surgery. But I guess a month ago I thought that it wasn't gonna happen for a really long time. Um, 7 months was not what I thought it was gonna be, so I guess I should be happy about that and maybe just roll with it. But it's a struggle. So I guess the good news is I've scheduled surgery with Dr. Garamoni, top surgery, and that's going to happen for me sometime. So I wanted to share that with you. Yeah, good night.